got you something close to me.
So I asked you guys on an Instagram poll if you wanted to find out what's inside my bag, and a lot of you were quite curious. Well, let's get started. I'm really enjoying Helena Morrissey's A Good Time to Be a Girl. Then there's a notebook and a pen, my MacBook Pro, a wallet from Pieces, my trusty sunglasses from Dolce & Gabbana, the super fun scrunchie from Nor Black Nor White, random Polaroids that always end up at the bottom of my bag, Lady Million by Paco Rabanne, my favorite multitasking product, bio oil, so here's my go-to BB cream from Majolica. It's a Japanese brand. Etude House's lip and cheek tint, which I picked up from Japan also. La Shield's SPF 30 sunscreen. Glossier's birthdaybalm.com with little specks of glitter, makes for a great highlighter. Lucas's Pawpaw ointment, it's so multi-purpose, I love it. Oh, my mom's pearls, which I've been obsessing over lately. Their Real mascara from Benefit. This gorgeous concealer pen from Marc Jacobs that instantly brightens up my under eyes. A bunch of safety pins that everyone should have in their bag. Handy soap strips from Le Parisien. And finally, Russian Red by MAC, my favorite red lipstick.
You have my dreams, but there's nothing to do but believe. Just believe.
Well, there are still some things that I wish my bag could fit, but this is it for now.